Most drugs are synthesized by chemists in the pharmaceutical industry. This word synthesized means made, and it's a word that you should be familiar with. Drug companies are big businesses, and the whole process is costly and may take many years. The starting point for these drugs may still be a chemical extracted from a plant. So why is the process so slow and expensive? New medical drugs have to be tested and trialled before being used. This is to check that they are safe and effective. These are the steps that drug companies have to go through when they develop new drugs. So first, they have to identify the new drug. Next, they test it, and then they manufacture it. For the exam, you need to be able to state that new drugs have to be tested and trialled before being used to check that they're safe and effective. So what exactly are drug companies testing for? New drugs are extensively tested for 3 things. Toxicity, which involves testing for any potentially harmful side effects. Efficacy, which is looking at how effective the drugs are and whether they achieve the desired result. And also dose. So the drug then needs to be tested to work out how much is needed to achieve the desired result. Under what conditions are drugs tested? The drugs are first tested in a laboratory. These are called preclinical trials. So tests are often referred to as trials, and the one in the laboratory is called the preclinical trial. In these preclinical trials, drugs are first tested to ensure there are no dangerous effects on humans. These tests are carried out on cells, then tissues, and then live animals. After preclinical trials, drugs move into the clinical phase. The drugs are then tested on humans in clinical trials. You may be asked about the differences between preclinical and clinical trials in the exam, and you should be conscious that the preclinical phase has to be carried out to limit the chance of harmful side effects once tested on humans.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!